Right, to some politics now. And for President Uhuru Kenyatta and his arch-political rival Raila Odinga, the August election is a high-stakes rematch. But just what political strategies are cooking in the kitchen cabinets of the two political contenders, and what key challenges does each face in the hunt for numbers? Is our political affairs reporter Moremi Mwangi.
From the euphoric dance of Orange Party supporters outside City Hall on Sunday, to the carnival of jubilation of Jubilee supporters on Monday, the past 2 days were politically significant to the pair of heirs from the two arguably most influential political dynasties in Kenya, the Kenyattas and the Odingas. As the Kenyan electoral body, IEBC, cleared President Uhuru Kenyatta and opposition leader Raila Odinga to run for the top office in the August 8th polls.
Na watu wachache wanakuwa kama kupe, wanafyonza damu ya watu wetu. Hatutaki hiyo itaenda na Uhuru na Ruto.
Sisi tuanza safari ya kuomba Wakenya na kunyenyekea Wakenya, tukiomba amani, tukiwauliza watupatie nafasi.
President Kenyatta will be vying for his second and final term in office, while Odinga has vowed to run for only one term to pave way for a successor from within the National Super Alliance. A state of affairs which observers argue makes the August 8th elections a tough contest for both Kenyatta and Odinga. But just how and who will get the numbers?
We're likely to see in this 2017 election the aspect of the silent voters expressing their support or discontent for a political party or for a presidential candidate only through their vote.
We are being very realistic that our target, which is to get more than 50% plus one of the vote. So we want to get 10 million plus.
We will beat them by 70 plus 1. September, come back to this office, because I'll also win my seat. Come back and ask me, how come you did not get 70 plus 1?
Asante sana. Anakabidhiwa. In 2013, Kenyatta lifted the presidential trophy at round 1 after exceeding the 50% mark by a meager 0.07%. This translating to about 8,000 votes over the 50% mark. But the strategy on how to escape a presidential runoff in August is increasingly becoming Jubilee's greatest headache. NASA, on the other hand, is agonizing on how to increase its share of votes from perceived Jubilee zones, a task which in the South Rift squarely falls on the 5th NASA core principle, Bomet Governor Isaac Ruto.
Isaac Ruto will receive the serious humiliation of his life, and he is of no value to NASA.
NASA hawa tupigie kura Raila Amolo.
With all signs now showing that the August 8th Kenyatta-Odinga rematch will be more abrasive than in 2013, the next 67 days will no doubt witness fierce campaigns as the scramble for keys to State House continues. Moremi Mwangi, KTN News, Nairobi.